law faculty has two study programs. One is the bachelor program and one is the master's program. Our bachelor program is primarily in Dutch, so we teach Dutch courses in Dutch, and when you follow our bachelor program, you can finish with a civil effect. What is a civil effect? A civil effect basically means that once you finish our program here, you can work to become a lawyer or a judge in Aruba, but also in the Netherlands. For our master's program, we have got three profiles. The first one is Aruban law, which is in Dutch. The second one is international governance and regulation, which is primarily in English, and our third one is in tax law, and it's a combination of both English courses and Dutch courses. You can study full-time and part-time. Full-time means that the bachelor program, you get it in 3 years and the master program in 1. And part-time means that you have got 5 years to get our bachelor program degree and 2 years for our master program degree. So that is in short our study programs here. If you want more information, visit our website to find more information about our study program, and I hope to see and welcome you at the law faculty.
Durante a bachelor di organization and governance and management, mi pobisa uit een programma hopi differente, zeg maar hopi broad perspectives. En te hopi interessante nang pa studenten nang net tabin voor die EPI, VWO of HAVO, pero tambe pa professional nang. Pasobre bota sinja mas die differente organisatie nang, die policy nang. E Aruba echt investeer hen nang ku studia nos studia pasobre eta bota sinja di teoria, e tambe bota hasi differente course nang na practica. E nos studenten nang trabaja manera manager, policy advisor, consultant nang differente di nos grado nang echt nos apoyanos hen nang bin aquí nang informabo mes sobre luna nang te baili hei en si bosaki go bo tim mister trese or fu bota registra bo por hasi saki pa hembo pa OGM ta importante fu bota hasi bo TOEFL of Duolingo en saki bo mister haal di na avanza pro me fu bota registra.
SYSTEM stands for Sustainable Island Solution through Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics. At SYSTEM, we have 3 specializations. 1 for bioenvironmental sciences, 1 for technology and engineering, and the third one is for data and informatics. The things about it is that sustainability can be looked at from these different angles, and they can tell a bigger picture what sustainability is. Aruba, being a small island, we can impact a big change when we look at sustainability. So our open days on Thursday, we welcome you to come and join us and hear what SYSTEM is about. SYSTEM, we have a bachelor program, and we also have a recently started master program. So welcome, come join us and see what SYSTEM is about. Make Aruba, with respect to sustainability, let us improve Aruba when it comes to sustainability.